YouTube, what's up, y'all? Hoodie Hustling back in the building. And this one, I got out of Queens, New York. I got a business owner, Fabrice from Fabs Cleaning Services. Welcome to the family, bro.
Appreciate you, my boy.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you pulling up, man. I know you're a busy man, so we're gonna try to get some gems from you tonight and keep it pushing.
Cool.
First off, introduce kind of what your business is and kind of how long you've been in business.
Okay, so as you just mentioned, my company name is Fabs Cleaning Services, and we are a commercial-based cleaning business. So we clean anywhere from office spaces, medical offices, clinics, laundromats, you name it, all commercial spaces. We even do floor care as well. I've been doing that for it's about to be a year next month now.
All right. Happy anniversary, bro. Happy early anniversary.
Appreciate you.
So, question for you. Before you were a business owner, I would imagine you were an employee. So, kind of what inspired you to make that transition from kind of working for somebody to now working for yourself?
What inspired me is I've always been passionate about the grind, about the hustle. I originally went to school for electrical, and that's something I was trying to get jumping on the side for a while, for a bit. But with working in the construction field, you come to find a lot of unprofessional people, unprofessional tactics, things of that nature. And after working in a series of jobs that wasn't the best fit, from working in private companies where they would pay me and the check would bounce to getting hired for a job. And when it's time for me to work, they don't say nothing. I don't, it's like, how to describe it? Like, for example, like I used to always want to do work on the side. So I had found somebody one time that had a business. So I was trying to, go work for him after work, things like that. I would always ask him to, hand me some work, say okay, and then I would never hear from him again. So it kind of got to a point where I was like, you know what? Instead of me looking to other people to put money in my hands, why don't I just find a way to put money in my hands myself? So my brother, he used to have a cleaning business that he kind of showed me the ropes, and then I just skyrocketed it from there.
Oh, that's good. Well, it makes sense, bro. A lot of sometimes people are so unreliable. It's like I'm sick of putting my fate in other people's hands. Let me put my fate in my hands and get this bread. You know what I mean?
It's a fact.
So with that, obviously, bro, I know owning a business is not smooth sailing. There's going to be pitfalls and lumps and bumps, all those things. So speak to some of the pitfalls you've had to kind of navigate through and overcome. Being a business owner, what are some things that I guess you weren't prepared for or weren't expecting, or some pitfalls you had to kind of navigate through and learn from?
Something that I've had to navigate and learn from was me. I try to handle myself with the utmost professionalism, and I realized the hard way that just because I'm collaborating with other business owners, other directors, other managers, that they're not very professional themselves. It's been from people trying to cut me short with paying me, people not wanting to do the business standard and signing a contract, whether it be for 6 months to a year, and even to little things like, cleaning equipment, going and purchasing equipment and then go to do a job, and then for some reason the equipment, stops working. You got to figure something out. So it's been a learning curve. It's been a process of events to where I've had to learn what to do to keep myself ready for whatever that might happen, and also just trying to stay professional when people bring unprofessionalism to my door.
Okay, that makes sense. Just you want to keep a standard, and no matter where everybody else lands, you're keeping to your high standard of professionalism and being reliable as a business owner. So
Exactly.
respects to you. So our final question, because I said I was going to be brief, man. I know you're busy. Is what would be one piece of advice you give to somebody who's looking to kind of transition and turn a side hustle into a legit business and become a business owner like yourself?
One piece of advice I would say is to just keep going. Don't give up. And people talk about manifesting stuff a lot, but truly see your success right in front of you. With every step that I take with my business, even like today, I have my shirt on. I was going around to businesses, giving my information, giving them my card. And with every single thing that I do every day, I feel like I'm closer and closer to my goals. So the best piece of advice I would give is to just not give up. You know what I'm saying? Never get lazy, never get complacent, keep chasing it.
So, Fab, again, appreciate you, bro. You know, Queens in the building. Appreciate you pulling up and
No
dropping some
doubt.
gems, man. So, we'll definitely be checking in maybe in a few months, seeing how you're progressing
All
and
right,
just do
bro.
a little checkup, seeing how your business is growing and whatnot. But appreciate you, bro.
All right, cool. Thank you for having me, bro.
All right, y'all. We out, y'all. Another one in the books.